push right here. There it is.
Yes, I can feel it.
Do you still feel that discomfort in the upper back?
When I do that, I can feel it a little bit, but
Okay. More up through here. I'm going to get some motion through this rib head here. The ribs articulate with the thoracic spine right here. Sometimes they can get stuck. And turn your upper body to the left. Good. Doing okay?
yeah.
And then come all the way back to neutral. Okay. And you can relax the arms.
No, that's amazing. It feels good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
Nicely done.